Hey everyone, welcome to this tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a table with the help of Elementor and Elementskit. You guys know the issue when you try to put a table on your WordPress website, there is no other way to do it than hand code it or copy paste from some other table generator. Then you have all your issues with responsiveness, exporting the list, searching from the table and pagination. But finally, it's over. You can go ahead and rest easy because Elementskit has come up with a perfect solution. Now you can see some of the demos that you can create or import with Elementskit. To see or directly use them, you can go ahead and look at the description box. The first one of the list is the comparison table. From here, you can compare your different type of products. And the second one is also a comparison table. We have named it comparison table 2. This is a bit of a styly and it's a bit of a vertical style with a different type of color. And the next one is the yoga schedule. Let me give you another option that comes with this table is the searching option. Now if I go and search Friday, it will take me to the Friday option, this one. If you have more options, you can use this searching feature that comes with this widget. Now it's time to see the next one, which is a project management. After that, you have the food menu, then you have the cryptocurrency. Okay, so inside of the employee details, if I search with a name like James, William, I can get this. And if you want to copy this entire list, you can click on the copy. And if you want to get the Excel option of, Excel format of this list, you can click on the Excel, then you can save it to your computer. After that, you have the CSV option. You can also save the CSV format. And at the bottom, you'll have the pagination option. So you can see how powerful this table widget that comes with the Elementskit. Alright, now it's time to see how you can start using it. Now before starting using this widget, I'm going to give you some heads up. The first one is that make sure that Elementskit is activated in your dashboard. If you don't know how to get this plugin, or if you're not familiarized with this plugin, you can go ahead and look at the description box. We have mentioned some of the videos that will help you to get this dashboard. And the second one is turning on this widget. To do it, go to Elementskit from the menu. After that, go to Elements, then find the table widget. This is the table widget. Make sure this one is activated. After that, click Save Changes. Alright, now you're ready to use it. Now in the third step, you have to create a page with Elementor. And from the search panel, search table. And there is the table that comes with Elementskit. You will understand by looking at that eKit badge. Drag in the table on your page. This is the minimal version, or this is the default version. In order to customize it, you have to look at the options at the left side. The first option here is the data type. Right now it's selected to custom, but if you want to use your older created data from your CSV file, you can use this upload option. Select the CSV file, upload a new CSV file on your computer. But that is very easy, just uploading the file. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the custom one. Then you have to create your header. That means you have to create your column here. By default, it will come with the 3 columns, but you can delete them or add a new one. For example, I'm going to keep the previous one and add a new one, and I'm going to name it My. If you want to change the background color, you can change from here. I'm going to give the red color. Then you have the text color. I'm going to make it white. If you want to use an icon, you can also do it from here. Let me use a random icon from here. You can use the icon position, icon size, and icon color. And then you have the body content tab. If you go to the body content tab, then you have all these options to change this body content. Now if you open the first one, there you'll see the new row. That means from this item, a new row will start. This is the column 1, that means this one. So from here, a new row will start. I'm going to name it row 1 so that it becomes very understandable. Row 1. And the second one, I'm not going to start a new one because I've already started from the first item. So I'm going to name it 1B. That means this is a row 1, but the number B option. And the next one, I don't need the next one, so I'm going to delete it. This one. So I'm going to delete it. After that, I will start a row 2. So there you can see new row. It's enabled. So I'm going to name it row 2A. That means this is the row 2, number A. And this is the second one. There I don't have to start a new row. Just I'm going to name it row 2B. And I have to delete the last one because I don't need this one. Okay, So what I'm going to do, I'm going to create a new row. So I'll add item, start a new row, and I'll name it row 3A. You can use an URL here. You can also make a background color. I'm going to make the background color blue, and the color I'm going to make white. All right, I need another item. So what I'm going to do, add item, row 3B. After that, if you go to the table settings, there you can enable the serial number. After that, you can change the placeholder color of this search bar. You can work with the ordering, responsiveness, and the pagination too. At the bottom or at the middle, you'll find the pagination icon, pagination text color, and this information option. The first one is showing, that refers to this showing text. Then you have underscore start written in capital letter, that refers to the first row of this page. After that, you have the end, which is also written in capital letter, that refers to the end row of this page. After that, the total, that means the how many rows you have. Right now you have only one page here. You can see the pagination option. So if I make it 1, I have 3 pages. So this is the first one. If I go to the second page, it will go to the second row, because I'm only showing 1 row per page. Now let me talk about a bit more styling and the typography. In order to use the typography, you can go to the style option or style tab. Then you have the background color option. After that, you have the header option, image option, body option, information option, and all these settings have something to do with making your font size bigger, padding, margin, etc. For example, I'm going to open the info. I'm going to increase the font size. You can change the color from here, and this kind of similar settings will be available into the entries and the navigation. I don't want to waste your time showing this kind of simple things. But if you're completely new at Elementor, you can watch some of our other videos to learn more about Elementor and the settings. Alright, so this is all about the things you need to know in order to start using the tabled widget. Thank you for watching this video.